Equanimity, resilience, gratitude. I used to think these were the things you learn to live a better life. But honestly, most days I was just trying to get through. At some point of time, I forgot what calm even felt like. I forgot I deserve myself. At that point of time, another chapter of universe comes into the picture. And for a moment, everything slows down enough to feel again. Maybe it's a reminder that I was too far from myself. Or maybe it's saying, you are allowed to pause. You are allowed to breathe. And maybe that's enough to feel divine.